Oh, brother. I've been dreading this project. Momi's been on me for the last week, more than a week, probably 2 weeks. Here we are in the half bath. Hello, dear. Here we are in the half bath, and this pedestal sink is going to go up, but that's not the project today. I'm going to be installing a toilet. The Herkel flange is over there. That's where the old toilet location used to be. We went to the store and we got a toilet. I'll talk about that in a minute. If you want to watch this series on how to install a toilet, stick around. Now the funny thing is, can anybody install a toilet? Yes. You don't have to be a plumber or have to have all this knowledge that a plumber contractor has. And if you were to call a plumber to install this toilet, I have no idea how much they would charge. $175, $200 maybe for their labor to install the toilet, not to mention them if you wanted them to pick up the toilet. Oh yeah, there's all kinds of toilets at the store, at the hardware store. We were at the hardware store. Oh, there must have been maybe 16 to 20 different toilets to pick from. Why did we come up with this one? Well, let's just talk about this for a minute. This is a little half bath. There used to be a toilet here that was just a round type of bowl, not an elongated type of bowl. And we decided to put an elongated bowl there because there's enough room here for that. And Momi wanted an elongated bowl, and she wanted one that was a little bit higher than the standard, the old standard style